Hello again. Well, I've finally made it to Europe, and it's good here.
You say?
Nautilus.
Nautilus.
Exactly.
Dad's got the beer.
They too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You could say I'm pretty happy. I'll be here for a while, and I do miss home and Dad. But I'm kind of home, being with friends and family.
Croatia behind you. Oh, Croatian flag.
Yeah, oh my gosh, yes.
It's pretty special.
You know, he bought me a happy anniversary beer this morning.
Yeah.
You did?
And we're here to explore Croatia. I don't really know much about Croatia, to be honest, but I'm excited to find out. Welcome to the wonderful world of sailing. And this is what's called a Goolet. A traditionally designed wooden boat of Turkish heritage, this boat, the Nautilus, was to be our home for the next few days. And our first experience in Croatia. And this was all envisioned by the folks over at Goolets. So, with 31 meters of deck, 8 cabins, a wonderful crew, and an adventure ahead, we set off towards our first destination. Yeah. Nice. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at this place. Enter Hvar. I hope I pronounced it right. A laid-back fortified harbour town spawned by the Venetians in the 16th century, this little nook in the middle of the vast Adriatic coast is the perfect place to soak in the sun and experience firsthand what Croatia has in store. A fascinating and rich history, charming friendly locals, and a warm and pleasant climate. It's a sharp taste of what's to come. And speaking of taste, Croatia has a delectable selection of cuisine. And Hayley Dasovich is going to do what she does best. Drink lots of alcohol.
It's similar to father, similar to the sort from here, local grape, from Hvar. And then made with red wine.
Love it. Very light and so good. We act like we saw each other yesterday, but it's been like 3 years.
Has it been 3 years?
I mean, like, whatever. It hasn't been.
Ireland. That was the last time I saw you. I said goodbye to you in an Aer
That was
Lingus
3 years
terminal.
ago.
Yeah. 3 years ago?
I keep thinking I see him.
Daniel, you keep thinking you see one, but they're
Just dandruff.
just Andrew. Andrew.
I'm kidding, everybody.
It's cool meeting Will's friends like Dylan. He's a great guy. Full of wisdom.
None of us dressed right. Well, you're in a black sweatsuit right now. I'm dressed for the mountains.
Dude, you look so
It was cold on the boat.
With your
You
Adidas.
too. It might be drinkable. That's not quite certain enough for me to try.
Although he has some strange hobbies.
I'm good.
Oh fuck, it's so hot.
It's not like a girl, it's like a Viking. The Vikings are cool.
The miles, look how they
Your hair is too long.
What a jokester, bro.
Then tomorrow tends to show there is more I can do for you somehow. Where would I be without you?
I think the best way to sum up Croatia is this.
Noće pusta,
This is like a traditional song, especially for this Dalmatian part of Croatia.
Okay.
And they sing it all the time. It's about song about fishermen and their hard work.
Nice.
And it's like I don't know. It's like the anthem of the sea around here. And people that are doing amazing jobs and people who live here. So yeah, you can hear it everywhere you go around here.
We're now in Korčula.
Coachella?
Korčula.
We're in Los Angeles. Coachella.
Welcome to Korčula Island. If narrow lanes, coffee shops and wine bars are your thing, then the old town in Korčula Island has it for you. Arguably one of the most beautiful towns in all of the Adriatic, and allegedly the birthplace of Marco Polo. It's a charming little spot that's so clearly rooted in history and has the perfect blend of old and new.
Wait, who was born here?
Marco Polo.
No way.
Yeah.
Marco.
Polo. We just got to Korčula, and since we both dressed so bad on the first island,
Yeah, I know, right?
now we're dressed the same.
We're literally like we're going to a wedding. Grey pants and
When are we
the
gonna figure
same
this
white
out?
collared shirt.
And I'm still hot. I'm still
It's
sweating.
hot as hell, man. I got sweaty armpits.
What's
Oh my
the
God.
third island? We'll get it right back. then.
Well, I don't know actually. I didn't even know we were going to this place the first time.
Well, anyways, welcome to Korčula.
Welcome to Korčula.
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 It looks beautiful, right?
It is, it is. Wow, it's incredible here.
Honey, there's plenty I don't believe. Plenty of things that mean nothing to me. But if there's one thing I know to be, oh, I know what you mean to me.
Honestly, I actually can't pronounce any of the places here. I'm not a very good informational vlogger. That's why you go to people like Dasovich. To be fair, I think me and Dylan actually dressed appropriately because everyone seems to be dressed like us.
The waiters too.
There's so many wonderful spots in the world with their own identity and character, and I've never been to a region particularly like this. It reminds me that there's a lot more of Europe I have to explore and parts I never really considered visiting. And of course, gelato. Gelato's amazing. It's really, really amazing. Gelato though, you have to have gelato.
Right? It's like a crime. You can't visit Croatia without getting gelato.
It's amazing. In fact, Dylan loves this town so much he walked it all in under 2 seconds.
And that's Korčula. I think I said it right.
El Chapita.
Good to see you guys. Okay.
Hey,
De Niro. Hey. Okay, good. To see this place is crazy because I've never been to the Balkans before. This place is very beautiful and I'm very lucky to be here. Sailing along the Dalmatian coast on a yacht. I never would have guessed this 2 months ago. Hello. Hello, Ailey.
Hey.
So we're on our way to Dubrovnik, and I've heard a bit about Dubrovnik over the years. It's been in the news a lot, and yeah, can't wait to see what's there.
Oh, they're swimming right there.
I just woke up. We made it to Dubrovnik. This is King's Landing. I'm so sorry I'm sleepy. This city was made famous by a relatively unknown TV show called Game of Thrones, aka King's Landing, and by God it doesn't disappoint. Probably the most famous city in Croatia, we were about to experience firsthand what Dubrovnik has to offer.
Wow, dude, it's empty.
Yeah.
The people here in the city, it's really nice people. People are more happy. They like speak with other people. There is more calm.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Dude, what a cool city though. Holy crap.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool to see the modern and then the old and stuff matched together. The old town of Dubrovnik was finished in the 13th century and lies completely unchanged to this day. All the countless people throughout history who have been enchanted by the same very sights I see before me. As the fellow Irishman George Bernard Shaw put it, those who seek paradise on earth should come to Dubrovnik. You see, Dubrovnik always has been, and still is, enchanting. It's probably one of the most amazing views I've seen in a long, long time. It's such a distinct look, and I can understand why Game of Thrones picked this place for King's Landing. It's just so beautiful. Oh, you fucking bastard! You salt water all over my camera, Will.
Sorry.
Nice. And so we leave Dubrovnik's fortified walls. Walls that withstood 8 centuries of bomb and barrage, awe and spectacle, and relatively recent trauma. And from those embers here lies a new nation, one that is reborn into a new century with a new generation, and countless more to enchant.